hello to you. How do you do? It's chilly in Fimble Valley today, and there are lots of clouds in the sky. My mum said there might be a storm today. I'm quite excited. Let's go and tell Uncle Roly. Ready? Then off we go!
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I'm just looking at the dark clouds through my rolly-scope. Would you like to have a look? Ah.
Hello, Uncle Roly.
Oh, hello there, little Bo. I was just showing our friends the dark clouds over Fimble Valley.
Mum says she thinks there's going to be a thunderstorm.
Well, your lovely mum is usually right, little Bo. She can just sniff the air and know what the weather's going to be like.
Will the thunderstorm be scary, Uncle Roly?
Well, the thunder can make a very loud noise, and sometimes that can be a bit scary.
I'm going to go and tell Hugo and Migo so they're not scared.
Ah, that's a good idea, little Bo. See you in a Roly Mo.
Hugo! Migo! Wigo! Amigo! Let's go! Boo! 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 What are you doing, Hugo?
I'm trying to make you jump.
Oh, you can't make me jump.
Hello, Migo!
Nope, you can't make me jump.
Hello, you two snoots. Sorry. Did I make you jump?
No.
Yes.
I came to tell you that there's going to be a thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm?
Yes, a thunderstorm with lots of loud thunder.
Oh, loud noises don't bother me.
How loud is loud?
Let's have a look in my busy book and see. Busy book, let's take a look. Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a Fimble? Who can you see? It's Fimbo. What are we going to do today, Fimbo?
A helicopter. Listen to the sound it makes.
This is a loud and quiet game.
Look, there's a mouse.
Is the mouse loud or quiet? The mouse is very quiet.
A trumpet is loud.
That's right. Trumpets are loud.
Oh, look, a ladybird.
Is the ladybird loud or quiet?
The ladybird is quiet.
That's right. The ladybird is quiet.
That's a fluffy cloud.
Is it loud or quiet?
It's really quiet.
We've got loud things.
And we've got quiet things.
Have we got more loud things or more quiet things? Let's see. We've got 1, 2,
2 loud things.
and 1, 2, 3.
3 quiet things.
There are more quiet things than loud things. Thank you, Fimbo. See you again soon.
Oh, I think the thunderstorm might make me jump.
It won't make me jump. Nothing makes me jump.
Hello.
Ah!
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I make you all jump?
No, not me. You can't make me jump.
Roly, have you got a story to make us all jump?
Well, let me see. I might have. Would you like to hear it?
Yes, itty, please, itty.
Then I'll be back in a Roly Mo.
Story time with Roly Mo.
Our favourite time of day.
When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you will see? When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. With cats and dogs and birds and frogs, a monkey who says boo, boo, wonderful things, giants and kings, and maybe a Fimble or two. Now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. A story to make everyone jump, if you please. Ah, lovely. Now then, are you all sitting comfortably?
Yes.
Good. Then I'll begin. Josh was playing with his cars in the yard. Zoom! The green one whizzed off. Whee! The red one raced over the yard and bumped right into the old shed in the corner. Josh didn't like the old shed. The door was broken, and sometimes it made funny noises. The door moved, all on its own. Inside, it was all dark. Dad! Josh ran into the house. His dad was busy painting Josh's old cot, ready for baby Martha. "What's the matter, Josh?" asked Dad. He picked him up, just as if he were a little baby like Martha.
I don't like that shed,
said Josh.
I think there's something nasty there.
Dad kissed Josh. "Let's have a look together," he said. In the yard, Josh stood behind Dad while he pulled off the old door. "Look, Josh," said Dad. Josh peeped out. He saw some very dusty shelves full of old tools and rusty tins. It wasn't dark anymore. I think I've got an idea," said Dad. The next day, when Josh came back from his Auntie Lou's, he saw that Dad had painted the shelves red and yellow, and he'd put Josh's football on them, and his cars, and there was just enough room to keep the tricycle there out of the rain.
"Now it's my shed, isn't it?"
said Josh. "Yes," said Dad. "It's Josh's shed." There. Did that make anyone jump?
It made me jump when the door squeaked.
Me too.
Not me! It didn't make me jump! Hello, little Bo.
Hello, how are you?
Okay.
The sky is blue.
It's a beautiful day,
You're walking along.
humming a song.
Then boom!
I jump out at you. Boo here.
Boo there.
Boo in the middle.
Boo round.
Boo square.
Let's giggle.
Boo. Boo.
Should have seen your face
Boo. Boo. Boo.
all over the place.
You don't have to close your eyes.
If I say boo, it's a big surprise.
And if you want to boo me too,
Jump out at me and just say boo.
Boo here. Boo
There.
Boo.
in the middle.
Boo round. Boo
Square.
Boo.
Let's giggle.
Boo. Boo.
Should have seen your face
Boo. Boo. Boo.
all over the place.
Boo here. Boo.
There.
In the middle.
Boo round. Boo.
Square.
Boo.
Let's giggle.
Boo. Boo. In outer space. Boo. 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 All over the place. What was that? What was that? That made me jump! That made me jump!
There's nothing to worry about, Migo.
I don't know what it is. It's a strange noise, and it's making me feel all scared.
It's the thunder. It makes me feel a little bit scared too.
And me.
But do you remember the story we heard, Migo? All about strange noises?
No, I don't.
Then I think it might be time for another story. Would you like that?
Yes, it please, Roly.
Well, you sit there. Now, let's see what we've got here. One day, Jip and Jamila were playing in the treetops. They were having fun monkeying around, when suddenly Jamila heard something strange.
Jip, was that you?
She asked.
No,
He replied.
I thought it was you.
Then they both heard the noise again.
It might be Baby Elephant,
Said Jamila.
he squeaks when he's feeling shy.
It can't be, said Jip.
He couldn't climb all the way up here. Maybe it's Sunil then,
Said Jamila.
he can climb. It's not Sunil,
Said Jip.
he's down there playing with Baby Hippo. Who is it then?
Asked Jamila.
I don't know,
Said Jip.
but let's squeak back to see if we can make it go away.
So the two monkeys squeaked as loudly as they could.
Listen,
Said Jip.
whoever it is squeaking back.
He squeaked again.
Hello,
Said the pink kaplink.
what are you two doing here? We were playing,
Said Jip.
and we heard a funny noise, like this. Eek! That was me.
Replied the pink kaplink.
I heard a funny noise too, like this. Eek! That was us.
Laughed Jamila.
We've been playing hide and squeak with you.
Said Jip.
Let's do it again.
Said the pink kaplink. And so they all played hide and squeak until it was time for tea.
When Jip and Jamila heard the funny noise, they didn't know what it was.
I think they were a bit scary too.
Yes, they were.
But when they found out what the noise was, they weren't scared anymore.
No, and I'm not scared anymore.
Let's play a game with the thunder and see if it can make us jump again. We all jumped. I didn't jump that time. I knew it was going to happen.
That's right. When it's not a surprise, it doesn't make you jump anymore. Listen.
Listen to what, Uncle Roly?
I can't hear the thunder anymore. I think the storm must have gone somewhere else. Oh, no more dark clouds. Now that was a surprise. Well, we've had a noisy day today.
Yes, it's been a roly-moly day.